What's up everybody, MTmotoRIDER here, and in this video I'm gonna actually clean a chain. So I had a buddy that did not really think that my whole kerosene and brush thing was gonna work, so he brought his Suzuki over, and let's just say that chain has not been cleaned in a long time. It may have never been cleaned at all because it was freaking filthy. Since I decided to clean his chain for him because he don't think it'll work, which I think he just wanted his freaking chain cleaned, but whatever. I wanted to do this video so you could actually see me clean a chain, so then you kind of get an idea of what I personally do when I do clean a chain. First we're going to take a look at what the chain looked like when he first brought it over here. No cleaning whatsoever. It was freaking nasty. Then we'll check out me actually cleaning the chain, and then we'll look at what it looks like whenever I'm completely finished. So let's check it out. So I don't know if you guys agree, but that chain was filthy and it looked a lot better when I got done with it. So that is basically how I clean a chain. That's what I do: kerosene, brush, and just scrub it. I'm sure there is other products out there that will clean a chain. I've actually heard that WD-40 works really well and is quite divine. Other than that, that is all I have for you guys in this video. If you have any questions, comments, let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Definitely get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.